In this video, I'll reveal the top-rated credit cards specifically designed for beginners with no credit. So without any further ado, let's dive in and find out. On number 1, we have Chase Freedom Rise Credit Card. This card is a great choice for earning cash back while building credit. It lets you earn 1.5% cash back on all purchases, which isn't something you typically see in starter cards. Plus, there's no annual fee, and it even comes with a $25 statement credit if you enroll in autopay within your first 3 months. Additionally, if you have an account with Chase, maintaining a balance of $250 can also improve your approval odds. On number 2, we have Pedal 2 No Fees Visa Credit Card. This card offers cash back from 1% to 1.5% after making on-time payments. It's ideal for beginners as there's no annual fee, late fee, or foreign transaction fee. Plus, Pedal evaluates your creditworthiness with a cash score based on your income and spending habits, making it accessible if you haven't yet established credit. On number 3, we have Capital One Platinum Secured Credit Card. This card is a reliable pick for those who might need to start with a secured card. You'll pay a refundable security deposit of $49, $99, or $200 based on your creditworthiness to receive a credit line equal to the deposit. Additionally, this card also reports to all 3 major credit bureaus, which is essential for building a good score quickly. Plus, it offers automatic credit line reviews to increase your limit over time, making it a solid choice to start your credit journey. Overall, each of these cards has its own advantages depending on your credit goals. But as always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.